before we talk about employees, their benefits, their problems about them, how to manage these people, before that, what is an organization? It is a building. Is that the answer? What is an organization? That is a place where people interact together, or where a set of people work together to achieve a common goal. Now, is Eastern University Sri Lanka is an organization? Is that organization?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is our common goal? Our common goal is to yes, MS 77. You can do answer or mute. Yes, right. I know you people are coming from different backgrounds and you are having different kind of problems at home, at hostels, at the places you have connected your networks, and you you have problems because you are while traveling you are trying to attend to the class, so you have a different problem. With that only you are concentrating, so I am really happy that you have come to the class with all these problems, but still I think it is good if you can find even a garden or somewhere, if it is possible, a place where you can concentrate for the 2 hours very calm and peacefully, if possible. But because I can't force, so I can't, even I can't make a request to you to be like that. Try to. Sorry. Now, what is organization is? It is a place where we are going as one family, as one set of people. We are trying to interact with each other and trying to achieve that goal. Okay. Now, if you see Eastern University Sri Lanka, it is concerned as an organization where myself and then Sir Malarmis, then Dean of the faculty, then Vice Chancellor of the university, everybody, we work as one family. We are interacting from one to another to achieve or to take the organization as the leading institute in academics, or to come up with best research outputs. We all are working. It is a place where we all are working together to achieve our common goal. Our common goal may be to make you all to get 100% pass outs, or to, if in your batch, if you have 294 students, our target is to achieve all those 294 to pass out, to become graduates at once, and to get employed in a good place. That is our goal. So we are working accordingly to achieve that common goal. So that is the place where it's facilitating is we call as organization. In that organization, to make it happen, to achieve our goals, what are the resources we need? What kind of resources we need? In your A levels, you have studied this. What kind of resources you will require? One is human resources. Any other resources you need? To achieve our goals, we need resources. One resource is human, then financial resources. Okay. What else? commerce students are answering financial. Physical resources, physical resources like equipments, machineries, those things. Financial resources means money. Money we need to start up and carry out our business. Information resources, human resources. Okay. Yes. Different answers coming. Very good. So basically, when we are comparing the human resources, not like the physical resources, this human is having a life. It's a lively thing where it can interact or where it can react. Now, if we hit the machine, it will not get any kind of effect, even though if we hit or even though if we throw a stone on the machine, it will work. But if you are hitting or if you are throwing a stone to a human, then that human going to react very badly on you. So, as HR managers, now when you are in the classroom, when you are in the physical or virtual classroom, I kindly request all of you to perceive or to assume you all as HR managers. When you are sitting in the class, you are the HR manager, and now from this class, you are going to learn how to manage the human resources in the organization, where they are very distinct, where they are very unique, where these people have life, which will react very soon. And these people are very different characteristic people from one to another. It is also a challenge for the organization, right? So, as a human resource manager, how to deal these people, how to manage these people in order to achieve our organization's goals and objectives is considered as human resource management. So basically, you may have learned the term management. Management means planning. Then, yes, COM 142. In a management, what do we do? Planning, organizing.
Leading and controlling.
Oh, I will call one person 3 times, like in the labor codes, like in the yes codes, right? I will call three times. If no, I'm going to remove them. Okay. COM 142. Are you there? Okay. MS 147. MS 147. MS 147.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the functions in management? The four main functions. What to do with the resources?
Organizing,
In management, what to do with the resources? What are the four functions? What is your name?
planning, organizing,
Okay. Okay.
leading, controlling.
Okay. Okay. What is your name?
I'm Madhushan.
Madhu?
Madhushan.
Madhushan or Madhushankar?
Madhushan.
Madhushan, where are you from?
I'm from Kurunegala.
Ah, Kurunegala. What is your school?
Mahakaliya Mahavidyalaya.
What is that?
Mahakaliya Mahavidyalaya.
Ah, very good. Oh, yes. So every day I will pick 10 names, then I can easily call you in between the class. So today I have met Indujan, then Rifan, I know, then Madhushan. Okay, 3 names for today. And majority of the girls are here. They have put the answers, right? The resources will be planned. We will plan how to utilize the resources without wasting, and then organizing those things we will put into order, and then we will take the leadership to organize to utilize those resources and then control it. So this is what happens in management. All the resources like physical, human, financial, all those resources, they are trying to manage effectively and efficiently in order to achieve the ultimate goal of the organization. So human resource management is right. Human resource management is we are trying to manage human resources, the people in the organization effectively and efficiently to achieve goals of an organization. So you can see easily, I have stressed the words which are necessary for you in red. So when you are having a look on these notes again, you can have an idea the words that you should stress or you should take more concentration on. HRM is the efficient and effective utilization of human resources to achieve the organization's goals and objectives. What type of goals an organization can have? Sometimes they may have a goal to increase their profit by 20% by the end of the year, or they may have a goal to increase their shares by 10% end of next March. Anything, any goal can be there. Excuse me. Any goal. So to achieve that particular goal of the organization, these human resources should be given proper mechanisms, or they should be handled properly to get the maximum output. So we have to have human resources to run our business. Even though we are having machines in the organization, we need people to operate that. Even though we are having systems, manuals, everything in the organization, we need people to handle those things. So we need human resources in our organizations to achieve our goals and targets. So as a HR manager, we need to effectively and efficiently utilize these human resources. Okay, so you always, when you are writing in the exams or when you are talking, you use these two terms, effectively and efficiently. Effective and efficient. These two words together. What do you think? Are these two terms giving the same meaning or not? So my question is, are these two words, efficient and effective, whether these two terms are similar or different. Please put your answer in the chat box by saying similar or different. You can give one word. So I will give you 1 minute time to comment on the chat box. Okay, I hope that almost all of you have given the answer. Now the time is 12:15, right? After this, I am not going to get the answers from you. Anyway, this one I will take as your attendance. By checking the chat box, I'm going to put the attendance for you. So um, now the time is 12:15. Given I gave you more than 2 to 3 minutes. So after this, please don't put messages or put into the chat box. I'm not going to take you for the attendance. Okay. So stop making comments in the chat box now. Still, I'm getting responses. So, my dear students, I requesting you don't make replies to the chat box now. After 12:15, I'm not going to take your response. Right? So, some of you have given elaboratively what is this efficient and effective, but almost 100% of you agree that efficient and effective means two different words. Obviously, yes, these two words are having two different meanings. So some of you are going with these explanations that efficient means doing the right thing, effective means doing the no, efficient means the way you have got the understanding as the way you are doing. That is correct. Now, efficient means doing a work with minimum wastages or with minimum usages of human resources. For an example, we say like this, right? Earlier, we need 150 employees to stitch, let's say in apparel sector, right? In apparel, Brandix or Hemas or anywhere, they wanted to stitch 100 shirts within 1 month, right? For that, these people needed 150 employees. After this, efficient means efficient in the sense minimizing the usage of employees or minimizing the wastages. Now we say these people are this particular company, they only need 120 employees to stitch 100 shirts within 1 month, which means from 150 to 120, they have reduced 30 number of employees in producing these shirts, which means it is considered as efficient. The term efficient. Okay. Meantime, effective means doing the best thing or doing the correct thing, achieving the goals and objective at the correct time. So, yes, by having these human resources within the organization, we have to efficiently use them. That is, we should not waste their efforts, we should not waste them for a place where if we can reduce their efforts. Now, in the example, as per the example, if we can do the job without putting 150 employees by using only 120 employees, then it means that we are utilizing the human resources efficiently. And effectively means we are trying to achieve our things, trying to achieve our targets within the given timeline. That means we are producing 100 shirts within 1 month. That is effective. So in this manner, we have to utilize these human resources to achieve the organization's goals. Right? So we'll see these terms elaboratively from the next slides. First one is organizational goals. Basically, this means in any organization that is their desired targets to be achieved in the future. Desired target means what they wish, what they want to achieve. If you take, for an example, we'll say Pizza Hut, their desired target may be to open up a new branch in another city within this week or within the next week. So that is what they want to do. That is their desired target to be achieved. Then the basic goal of any organization should be ideally to serve the human society. So organization has specific goals, right? An organization, they may have a big target, they may have a final goal that is to achieve. So to go for that final goal, we want to satisfy or we want to achieve these specific small goals of the company. Starting from the first one, to increase the net assets of the owners. enhance employee welfare and development, maximize customer satisfaction, maintain market share, fulfill social responsibility, achieve financial stability. So these are some of the specific goals an organization want to achieve. Of course, yes, these people they want to increase their net assets. If they are having assets value of 100 millions, owners they want to achieve or they want to buy some more assets for the organization and they want to increase their assets up to 150 million from next year. That is maybe their goal. Then they want to enhance. Enhance means what? Enhance. You may have heard this word in your lectures earlier. That means increase. They want to increase, the organization wants to increase employee welfare and development. Welfare facilities means what? Example. Employees welfare. Example. In your university, what are the welfare facilities you are expecting? Just take the examination hall. You want ventilation, you want fan. Sometimes you will feel we want AC. Nah? What are the other welfare facilities you are expecting from the management? My students? Yes, hostel facilities. Yes, in the hostel you don't have proper places to wash your clothes. You don't have those buckets. You have those problems. Yes. What else? I like to hear your voices. No other welfare facilities you want? Expect? Medical facilities. Very good. All of you are having this medical problem. Okay. So in the organizations also, the owners, their goal may be to achieve, to increase or enhance the employees' welfare. That are the facilities given to them, like free Wi-Fi, then accommodations, right? A physical setup. Then if they want to work under a risky situation, then the personal protective equipments like helmets, gloves users, masks, those things. And the canteen, you forgot food, the most important thing in your life, food, canteens. That so that is also one of the goal of the organization to go for their final target, to go for their final achievement. They want to increase employee welfare. Why? If they are not increasing the employees' welfare, what will happen? These people going to leave the organization. They are going to say tata bye to the boss and then they are going to go home. And the management or the organization bosses, they are trying to develop the employees. How they can develop the employees? They can send them to the training programs. They can give some education, coaching, mentoring. So those things also they are trying to give and they are trying to enhance the employee welfare and development to achieve their ultimate goal. Ultimate goal means to achieve their final expectations. Then to maximize the customer satisfaction. Of course, yes, as an organization, if customers are satisfied with the products or the services only, the customers going to retain with the organization or else they are going to change their brand. So that is also one main specified goal of the organization. Then to maintain the market share, to maintain the market value of the company, they want it as a goal. Then to fulfill social responsibility. What is that? Why organizations want to have this as a specific goal? To fulfill social responsibility? What are the social responsibilities that the organizations are having? When they are producing goods and when they are uh, putting the wastages, right? When they are producing something, if any poisonous gases going out, it's not good for the environment. It's going to pollute the environment, and environmental wise, they are polluting and they are not socially responsible. Then, for the citizens, they should give job opportunities, as in MS 69 says, right? So, fulfilling the social responsibility is also part of employees. So, a part of the organization. And then to achieve financial stability. Financial stability means they don't want to go for a big flop, or they don't want to go for a bankruptcy. They want to be sustainable, stable in financially. So these are the goals of the particular organization, right? And to increase the quality of the product, of course, yes. So these are the goals of the organization where they want to achieve. So to come and achieve these goals only, if they are achieving these goals only, they can finally achieve their organization's targets or expectations. For that, these people, the organizations, they are trying to achieve these specific goals of the organization, right? So far we have discussed a very few things with the first chapter. We have discussed why it is an organization, why this management comes to action, and then the definition of human resource management. So different people can differently they can explain or define this term human resource management. And then the goals of the organizations, what they want to really achieve within their organizations, and then we will study how these human resources are going to support to achieve these organization specific goals and objectives in the next class, right? So for today, i'm I'm not going to go for until 12:45 since I am new to you. Sometimes you may have some what to say, you may take some time to get adapt to my style and to get adapt to my teaching and all. So, by the way, if you are not clear to this point, you can ask me. If you feel that to be changed by my side, you can request that also. Then I will consider. So today I'm going to talk only about these content. From next class, we will have a deep discussion. Um, so do you have lectures in the morning tomorrow? Do you have the English lectures? 2022? From morning 8:30 to 10:30, do you have the English lectures? Namai? Or so far you don't know anything about it?
We don't know them.
You don't know, right? Anyway, I will talk to your batch rep I'm having some difficulties in taking the lectures tomorrow at 1:30. I will try to take your lectures tomorrow morning 8:30 to 10:30 or on Friday from 10:45 to 12:45. I will convey the message to your batch representative. Okay. Anything you want to clarify? Any doubts? Anything you want to comment? Did you understand? Or can you all understand my English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Then, okay, thank you for your attendance. We'll see you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.